Can you show me your bird? Can you show me? Can you see?
It's a pink bird.
It's a pink bird?
Mm-hmm.
How is it?
They're very
Space.
good.
Yes, it is.
Cheese.
Your cheese?
Uh-huh.
Do you like?
Cheese.
Do you like your new pink bird?
Uh-huh.
Ooh.
Cheese.
Will you let her play with your other birdie friends?
Pink bird doesn't have a bowl anymore.
Okay. We can make bubbles in a bit.
Pink bird has a magic wand that has bowls.
Ooh. Okay. How about you go introduce Pink Bird to your Angry Bird friends?
Okay.
Yay!
Cheese.
Cheese?
Uh-huh.
Alright, we'll take a picture in a bit. What do you say to Daddy?
Cheese.
What do you say to Daddy? He gave you Pink Bird.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Close the door.
Sam?
Close the door.
Whoa.
Alright,
Cheese.
just a moment.